Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel with today's LeetCode DCC question, count elements with maximum frequency. Let's look at the question. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return the total frequency of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. So what question is saying? Let's suppose we have few elements and the frequencies of those elements are like this. 4 is 2 times in the array. 6 is 4 times. 7 is 4 times. 2 is 2 times, and 1 is 2 times. So in this, we can see the maximum frequencies are of 6 and 7, that is 4. So we have to return the sum of these frequencies, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8. So answer of this sample will be 8. So how we can solve this question? First, we have to find the frequencies of each element. And to do so, either we can use map or we can use nums, we can use vector as well as array. If you see the constraints, the value of nums will be only 100, less than 100. So we can use vector as well as array also. Otherwise, we will prefer map. Once we store the frequencies, we can find the maximum frequencies, maximum frequency, and then we can sum the elements of the frequencies, which is equal to maximum frequency. Let's look at the example. Now, if in this example, we can see the frequency of 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1, 5 is 1. So we can see the maximum frequency of the elements is 1. Now let's see how many elements have the frequency 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is, all elements have the same frequency. So the answer will be 5. Now let's look in this example. Frequency of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 1, 4 is 2, and 5 is 1. So the maximum frequency of the elements are 2. So how many elements have the frequency 2? That is this 2 and 4. So we have to return 2 plus 2, that is 4 answer. Now let's try to code. First we will declare a variable maxi which will store the maximum frequencies in the vector, and we will declare a map which will store the frequencies of each element in the vector. Now we will iterate the vector one by one, and which we will calculate the frequency. So UMP of IT. Parallelly, we will compare with the maxi value. So after iterating all the elements in the vector, we will get the maximum value, maximum frequency of each elements. In the maxi variable, it will store the maximum frequency of an element. So we will initialize an answer variable with 0 value. Now we will iterate the map and check out how many elements have the maximum frequency. If it dot second is equal to maxi answer is equal to maxi, then we will return the answer. Let's try to run the test cases. Test cases has been accepted. Now let's try to submit the solution. Solution is accepted. I hope the problem statement and the solution is clear. See you in the next video. Thank you.